Active transport is a movement of ion or molecule across the plasma membrane against the concentration's gradient. It requires energy in the form of ATP and also carrier protein. ATP is the short form for adenosine triphosphate. Carrier protein can be either a sympod or antipod. Sympod is a process where both of the substances go out or go in at the same time. Whereas for the antipod, one substance will go out to the other side and anti-clockwise. The example of primary active transport in our body is sodium-potassium pump and also proton pump. The sodium-potassium pump, 3 sodium will pump out of the cell and then 2 potassium will pump inside the cell by using a carrier protein. The energy to drive the pump released by the hydrolysis of the ATP. The differences is important for the conductions of electrical impulse along the nerve cells to ensure that the outside membranes will remain positively charged, whereas in the inside membrane will remain negatively charged. Proton pump also is another example of active transport. The hydrogen plus ion attached to the protein membrane which makes a conformations A. The ATP derives from the protein membrane to give the energy which causes a conformations B. This will cause the hydrogen ion to transport from inside to outside cells. Endocytosis is another form of active transport. It is known as a bulk transport. Endocytosis is the process of transportations of substance inside the cell. This is because when there is a substance which is too large to enter the cells, there is 3 types. The first type is the pinocytosis, or they call it cell drinking. This is the process where the membrane engulfs the liquid droplets, which cause the membrane forming a vesicle. The phagocytosis, or the cell eating, is a process where the membrane engulfs the bacteria, virus, a part of that cell, and foreign particle. The example for this phagocytosis or cell eating is when the macrophage in the immune system use the process of phagocytosis to engulf the pathogens. The third type of endocytosis is receptor-mediated endocytosis. The process is when the membrane engulfs the selected molecules combined with the receptor proteins that exist on the surface of the membrane. Exocytosis is a form of active transport and bulk transport in which a cell transports the molecules, for example, the neurotransmitter and protein out of the cells by expelling them through an energy-dependent process.